Okay, so today,
And
right?
7.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so Mommy went through the questions with you today, right? So you can see that there's still quite a bit of multiplication involved, right? So we will still need to practice your 7, 8, 9 multiplication. I'll need you to write them out again, like last week. Can we do that? Nadia, are you there?
Yes.
I can't see you. Can you turn on your video, please? Okay, so let's just go through our 7, 8, 9 multiplication. I need you to write down on a piece of paper so that later when we actually do the questions, you can refer to the multiplication table easily, okay? Okay, so for next week, right? On top of the questions that you are going to try to do, okay? I think Mommy actually spoke to me just now. You found some of the questions quite challenging, is that right?
Yes.
So if you actually watch the e-learning video and you try the questions, right, and you still don't know how to do them, it's okay. All right, you just try as best as you can. When we come to lesson, we will go through the questions anyway. So teacher doesn't expect you to complete or do all the questions correctly. As long as you try, okay, you watch the e-learning video and you try, it's good enough. Is that clear? Okay, you're frozen again. Your connection is not very good. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So you heard that I said that even if you don't know how to do, it's okay as long as you try, right? Correct.
Hello, can you hear?
She keeps fading away,
Okay.
so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. The connection is pretty bad. I don't know what happened. Just moving her around the room. Just a minute, huh?
Okay, so Mahadia, even if you don't know how to do, but you try, it's okay. Okay?
Okay.
Can? Okay, but I need you to do one thing for me. All right? For next week, when you see me, I need you to memorize your 7 times table. This is not negotiable. You need to memorize your 7 times table, only one number. So week by week, we will memorize one number slowly at a time. Do you understand?
Yes.
So by next week, you memorize just your 7 times table. Okay? Can?
Okay, Ken.
Good. Okay, so let's start 7 times table very quickly. 1 times 7.
7.
Good. 2 times 7.
14.
Good. 3 times 7.
21.
Very good. 4 times 7.
28.
Very good. 5 times 7.
35.
How about 6 times 7?
42.
7 times 7?
49.
Good. 8 times table, 8 times 7.
$56.
Very good. 9 times 7.
$63.
Very good. 10 times 7, this should be quite easy.
$70.
Yes, 11 times 7.
$77.
Yes, 12 times 7, last one. Just add 7 to the final, to 77.
$84.
Hey, so I see that you actually improved a little bit. Okay, for your 7 times table, it's a bit faster now. So for next week, please remember I need you to memorize your 7 times table. Okay? Okay, so now let's very quickly do our 8 times table. 1 times 8 should be quite straightforward.
8.
2 times 8.
$15.
15 ah. Can you add again? 8 plus 8 is what?
$16.
Yes, better. What is 3 times 8?
$24.
4 times 8.
$32.
Good. Can you tell me what is 5 times 8? 5 should be quite easy.
$40.
Yes. 6 times 8.
$48.
Yes. 7 times 8.
$56.
Good. 8 times 8.
$64.
Very good. 9 times 8.
$72.
Yes. How about 10 times 8?
$80.
Yes. 88. Oh, 88. 11 times 8 is 88. How about 12 times 8? 90 something, 90 what?
96.
Very good. Okay, let's do our 9 times table. You remember the finger method, right?
Yes.
So let's try. Okay, all 10 fingers up. Then you put down one finger. You get 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, so now you put down your second finger. 2 times 9 is?
Oh, second finger, my dear.
You can see in the camera.
Second finger, yeah, that's right. Put it on. See the camera. Look at how teacher do it. Follow.
Can you see all my hands? Ayo, we had to squeeze in. Okay. So first finger first. First finger was like that. Correct? 9. Hey, that is not your
Yes.
first finger, dear. Where's your first finger? First finger is your pinky. Can you try to move your pinky down? No, move one pinky down. Just move your pinky. Don't move the other fingers. Dear, just move your pinky down. The rest of the fingers come up. Open up your hand. Yes, 9. 1 times 9 is 9. Then now put down your second finger. Raise up your, yes. How many fingers do you have? 1 and
1 and
you're not
8.
supposed to. Yes, correct. So what is the answer? 2 times 9 is
8.
8 only? You got 1 and 8. That is what?
81.
81? So big? So the 1 is in the tens place. The 1 is in the tens place. The 8 is in the ones place. So what do you have?
Times 9, my dear.
The 1 is in the tens place. The 8 is in the ones place. So what do you have? Mahadia, the 1 is in the tens place, right? The 8 is in the ones place. So what is that?
18.
Yes, good. Okay, now we're going to try for 9 times 3. So my fingers up again. Can you follow me? Now I stick my middle finger down. Only on one hand, dear. Only on one hand. Good. So what do I have? 2 and how many? 2 and
7.
good. So what is the answer?
27.
Good. 27. So 2 was in the ones place, 2 was in the tens place, 7 was in the ones place, 27. Okay, now I move down my fourth finger. Okay, can you show me your hands? Okay, so how many fingers do I have? 3 and what?
3 and 6.
So answer is
36.
good. Okay, can you try 5 yourself? 9 times 5? Fingers up.